What's the meaning of American football? American football. American football. American football. American football. American football.
American football is a contact sport played between two teams of 11 players, where the objective is to score points by carrying or throwing a ball into the opposing team's end zone. It has roots in association football and rugby football and is most popular in the United States. The game demands strength, speed, and agility from its players, who must work together to advance the ball down the field and score. American football can be physically intense, with high injury rates, but it remains a beloved pastime for many fans and players alike.